Mm. So hi everyone. I hope you're having a great day. So, uh, mm, okay. So I'm here to more or less recap on. I did a t-shirt Lippie challenge on June the 30th. It was a 5-day challenge. Okay, 5-day challenge. So this, so I'm coming back to this. Okay, because in the in the video, I did the video because, I do a lot of, Zoom. And I thought going from the Zoom, bringing it to YouTube to see what, how it would do, what the reactions and things like that were. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you something right now. I was somewhat disappointed. And I'm going to say disappointed for this reason. Okay? Like I said, I did the T-shirt Lippy Challenge, which started on June 30th and, and went up to July because it was a 5-day challenge. And you know how, when you're looking at YouTubers or whatever, um, they say all description be left down in the box below. So I thought doing that, let me see, you know, take a survey. Let me see how this does as well as if people actually follow what a person is saying, when they say all description be left down in the box below. Because if I had said, you know, I'm having a giveaway, everybody would have read the descriptions. So the survey is about to see if you read what the person that you're looking at says when I say all descriptions be left down in the box below. So let's get back to the video, okay? On the t-shirt Lippy challenge, it was about the t-shirts because, of course, I'm a t-shirt girl. I wear a lot of t-shirts, like I said, with jackets and everything. Sometimes, my t-shirts have all kind of sayings on it. Some people look at it, it's not really directed to you, or some people be like, is that how you feeling for the day? Could be not. But, I'm at work, so you just can't come out and be like, yeah, that's how I'm feeling today. So if you go back and look at my challenge for those 5 days, in the description box, I had a word for each day. And I'm going to tell you what the words have said. They said, I am the t-shirt winner. I am the t-shirt winner. Yeah, I was giving away a t-shirt, from my business, and, and things like that. It was actually going to be this one, the old school gang. Now, the old school gang for me is a music. It's about music. Like, what is your old school jam? Not the stuff that I listen to today. The old school, for the old school, the old heads, old people like me and carry on. What was your old school jam? You know, this is how the ladies' ones were going to look. And I also had the ones for the gentlemen. I can't really show you the shirt because, of course, on the day that I'm filming this, my husband is wearing his shirt. But they have the men's on here, and they look like this. They look like this, okay? They look like that, which you'll see. You'll see who it looks like. But you were going to win a custom shirt. I mean, they are cute. And you would have gotten your old school jam like put at the bottom, going across here or at the bottom. So now I'm just going to come out and say, yes, I am. I am. Wait for it. So no one will have to read the description box, okay? Well, I'm saying all description be left in the box below, so you won't have to read it, this time. Again, what I'm doing now is from September through December. So that's September, October, November, December. I'm just having a doggone giveaway. I'm having a giveaway, okay? You can win a wig, a shirt, all different kind of things, all different kind of items that I, advertise on my YouTube channel or on my business page. Okay, so With that being said, I am just shocked at my ride or dies, my ones who have been here with me from day one. You did not read the description in the box below. Okay, so you could have won a free shirt. So like I said, all descriptions to win will be listed down in the box below, but I'm going to tell you now, you must be already joined on my YouTube page and also on my IG page, which I'm going to say it one more time. All the descriptions will be left down in the box below. So, give me a thumbs up, leave me any comments, press that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell, because from now until the end of the year, we are going to have some fun, some great giveaways. Okay? Mwah. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Beautiful baby. I mean, he way taller than my ass, but you know, hey, because the masses, they were created after him. Look, he said it's him. It's him. It's him. Okay? Mwah. Bye, everyone.